Alright, what's going on, everybody? And we're back. Alright, we went out fishing for probably a couple hours and we didn't do too bad. We caught a couple fish. One big one, 4.91. That's my biggest fish, biggest largemouth this year or ever. So I'm super pumped, super excited. Can't wait to edit this video and show you guys what's up. But we also lost the lure we caught that on too. We broke off with a pike, and I should have knew better to, how do you say that? Use a steel leader, you know, because the pike have really sharp teeth. I didn't do that, and we lost the Whopper Plopper 130 gold. It's gone. He's got it. We did pick up some smaller fish on the white one. Wasn't a bad day of fishing at all. I'm super happy that I caught that. Oh, the 4.9. That's my personal best. Super happy about that. See what else. The fishing was good most of the part of the day. The fishing was good most of the day. Besides now, the wind picks up. It's probably 10, if not 15 mile per hour gust. It got pretty bad out there, but this morning it was super calm. It was perfect. And all I did is, as soon as I launched right here, just rode the bank on the left side, cast, reel. Then I sat on the side of the lily pads and I'm casting out, bringing it down the side of the lily pads, wham! And we catch them. But when I get back to the house, I need to put some steel leaders on, and then we'll actually have some footage of some pike, and not just hear, oh, that was a pike, or not see them or break me off 100,000 times. Too many times. If you ask my buddy, he'll tell you, Rob, put on a leader, put on a leader. This happens when we go out for pike too. I need to straighten up. Alright guys, see you next time. We will be hitting the river for some pike, some smallies, whatever is gonna bite the old Whopper Plopper. We're gonna find out. I'll have to go and get another golden one. Need a gold and a black one, and we're set for a while. This challenge is gonna be fun. Big fish. I always catch big fish on the Whopper Plopper, so I guess it's time to wrap it up and get out of here. See you.
Everywhere you go, people are people. Everywhere you go,
Here we go. This is a good one. He got off. I fucked around.